Prince William visits severely ill children evacuated from Gaza, a heart-touching royal moment the world can't ignore. There are moments in royal life that rise above protocol, politics, and ceremony, moments that show us not just a future king, but a man moved by the suffering of others. Such a moment unfolded when Prince William stepped into a quiet hospital ward to visit severely ill children evacuated from Gaza, children whose lives have been torn apart by conflict, fear, and unimaginable loss. It was a visit that stunned observers, touched millions, and reaffirmed William's long-standing commitment to global humanitarian causes. And as the images and testimonies from this emotional encounter spread, one thing became clear: this visit was about humanity before anything else. Prince William has always made compassion a cornerstone of his public life, from his mental health advocacy to his support for displaced families and children caught in crisis zones. But this visit carried a different weight. These were children who had survived the unthinkable, many suffering from severe injuries, chronic illnesses worsened by war, and trauma that no child should ever experience. Their evacuation to safety represented hope. William's presence represented something more: comfort, dignity, and global attention they desperately needed. The hospital environment was peaceful, softly lit, and heavily guarded for privacy. Nurses moved gently around the room, tending to children whose bodies and spirits bore the scars of conflict. When Prince William arrived, he didn't begin with speeches or cameras. Instead, he walked quietly from bedside to bedside, kneeling to speak with each young patient, offering words of encouragement, warmth, and reassurance. One nurse later described the room as emotionally still, like everyone recognized the importance of his presence. William listened to the medical teams explain each child's condition: children suffering from respiratory complications,